Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to blur background in Teams. So to start, open Teams and join the meeting. So once you're here, in the meeting controls, at the top right, click more. Then from the options, select video effects and settings. So click on that. Now in here, go to video effects, then choose blur or standard blur. Then click preview if you want to see it first, or click apply to save it. And that's it. If you don't see the blur option, make sure you're using the desktop or mobile Teams app and that it's up to date. You can also check that your camera is turned on. So click camera and make sure it is turned on. So, some older devices or virtual cameras may not support background effects. So, again, go to more, then go to video effects and settings, then select standard blur. Or you can also choose your background in here and click preview or click apply. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.